Welcome all. In this video we will be looking at a module called as web browser module in Python, which is useful for opening web browser or any URL by writing scripts in Python. So let's head over to official documentation of web browser module in Python, and the first link which we will see is from Python documents. Okay, so what is a web browser module? The web browser module provides a high level interface to allow displaying web based documents to user. Web based document, that means if we provide any URL as a parameter to this web browser modules method, then it will display that URLs by opening our browser or opening any specific tag. So we have various functions in web browser module. The first function is web browser.open, display URL using the default browser. So if you have multiple web browsers in your PC like Chrome or Firefox, and if you have set Chrome as your default browser, then web browser.open will open a specific URL provided in argument in Chrome. Now the second method is web browser.open new URL. So this method will open a new window of default browser. Open a new window of a default browser. So if you have set Google Chrome as your default browser, then the URL will be opened in a new window in our default browser called as Chrome. Now the next function is open new tab, which will open new tab in the default browser. So these methods are for default browser. If we want to open a specific browser and then we want to open a URL, for that we will use the get method, which will take the browser name as argument, and if we provide none, then it will open the URL in our default browser. Returns a controller object for the browser type using. If using is none, then a controller for a default browser appropriate to the caller environment. It means if we provide none as using parameter as none, then the browser which will open is our default browser. Now here are some words like, for if you want to open Mozilla Firefox, then we will give our argument as Mozilla. So let's head over up to our scripts and see how can we use them. So I have already written the scripts. Let's increase this font size by using control plus or command plus if you are using Mac. So first of all, I have imported web browser as WB. We have to import it so that we can use it in our scripts. Now we know that in any programming language the execution starts from main method. So we have our main methods. In it we have called a function which is named as open URLs, in which I will be writing all logic of opening URLs from web browser module. I have taken 3 URLs which I will be opening using this module. URL 1 will be opening google.com, URL 2 youtube.com, and URL 3 a video from my own YouTube channel. So the 8th line, wb.get firefox. So we have seen if we pass a browser name in get method, then it will open that browser, and then it will open a new tab in that browser, and then it will open URL 1. So, and after that I have also imported a module called time, because I want to wait for 5 seconds, then I open a new tab. Now in line number 10 I haven't used the function get, so the URL will be opened in our default browser. Then I am waiting for 5 seconds, and now I am again opening a new URL using open new function. So what is open new tab? What is the difference between open new tab and open new? Let's see in our documentation. The open new tab will open URL in the new tab of the default browser, and open new will open a new window. So let's run our script using control F5. First it will open our Firefox, and the URL which I have written in it is google.com. Now it has opened our second URL in the browser called Chrome, which is my default browser. And third, it has opened a URL which is a video from my own YouTube channel in a new window, because I have used open new for that. So let's close it and see the order. I have first opened google.com by opening a default new browser called Firefox, and then I have waited for 5 seconds. Then I opened a URL in a new tab of existing window of Google Chrome, or if the window is not existing, then it will open a new window and then open this URL from line number 10. Then I am waiting for 5 seconds, and now I am using open new, which will open a new window and open my URL number 3. So this is how we use web browser module in our Python script to automate the task of opening URLs. So you can find out the source code for this from my official GitHub. The link I will write in the description of this video. So I have my, so yeah, this is the repository in which I have added all the scripts which I will be adding in this course, or I will be teaching in this course. So you can find out these scripts in github.com/python scripts. I will append this URL in the description of this video. Thank you very much. Please like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.